Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Mutagon. Alpha Mutagon is a highly sought-after item in the game, essential for evolving some of your most powerful Lumions. Understanding the various methods to acquire it will significantly boost your team's potential. Let's dive into the best strategies to add this valuable item to your inventory. One primary way to obtain Alpha Mutagon is through battle rewards. Engaging with certain wild Lumions, particularly those found in higher-level zones, offers a chance to receive it after a victory. Additionally, some challenging trainer battles can also yield this rare item. Remember to optimize your team for efficient farming. Another reliable method involves completing specific quests and participating in special in-game events. Developers often introduce limited-time events that feature Alpha Mutagon as a grand prize or a significant reward for completing objectives. Always keep an eye on the game's official announcements to ensure you don't miss these valuable opportunities. Finally, don't overlook the power of trading with other players. The in-game community often has individuals willing to exchange Alpha Mutagon for other valuable items or Lumions. Keep an eye on the player market, as it might occasionally feature this item for sale. Exploring all these avenues will maximize your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.